Well, being a drama teacher, I always dreamt of winning an Oscar or a BAFTA, and this beats it. So thank you so much. Honestly, I feel so blessed to work in such an amazing college, and I will say Bridgend College, because it's provided myself with so many opportunities. A big thank you to Viv Buckley, our Deputy Principal, and Simon Pratt, our Principal, for even thinking of nominating me for this. Viv had to break the news to me because she knew I would be absolutely mortified, because I'm just so lucky to feel that what I do is just my job. I just want to say a big thank you to Pencoed Comprehensive School for our unique collaboration with Penybont Sixth Form, all of our Bridgend secondary schools for really being willing to get involved with the junior apprenticeship programme, and a massive thank you to all the team that I work with and all the students that I'm blessed to work with every single day. I just hope that these partnerships continue in the way that they have, because education is so powerful, and if we can work together, then the changes we can have are endless. So thank you very much.